You won't believe this. The road was completely flooded. Water rushing everywhere. Most people would have just turned back, but he didn't. He parked his truck right in the middle and used it as a bridge. Step by step, he created a safe path for an elderly person to cross. No cameras, no applause, just kindness in action. Sometimes the smallest acts change someone's whole day. Who else thinks this is amazing? Drop a comment below.
I imagine